7 on the outside of him is Scooter Ware. Chandler May on the inside of row 8. James Bradshaw on the outside. Dalton Morrison, Thomas Gordon, Doug Todd, Greg Wilkins, Bryce Mosley, Josh Guest, Bill Johnson, and Cody Mullins round out the field. And we've got a race already, man, to the backstretch. You got Blaze Chatham on the inside. Austin Rogers just a cat whisker away on the outside. But Rogers able to clear the 14 by half a car. Into the backstretch, 1 lap complete. 20 laps the race. It's Aiden Fletcher battling Mickey Trosclair for the 3rd position. Mickey Trosclair holds the bottom of the racetrack. Fletcher goes up where Granny keeps all them cookies at. Now he's back down. I just like that phrase. I'm sorry. 14 machine of Aiden Fletcher holding the 3rd position. He's got Mickey Trosclair in tow. It's the Guntown driver, Nathan Page, just to have a car length back. Right now it's Austin Rogers, though, putting some distance between him and the 14 machine. The Crystal Springs, Mississippi driver pulls a gap of 1.5 seconds between 1st and 2nd. 5 laps complete, 15 more to go. Thomas Gordon in trouble. He makes contact. Bryce Mosley in the 17, swatting flies. Chatham now has to hold back the herd. He's in the 2nd position, though. It's Aiden Fletcher and Mickey Trosclair. Then the Guntown man, Nathan Page. Rogers putting a clinic out there. 7 laps, 13 to go. More than a half a straightaway now on Blaze Chatham in the 14. Chatham has company. Here comes Freaky Fast to the outside lane. Freaky Fast going to roll it off the boards as they head into the backstretch. He may have a run on the 14. My goodness gracious, Austin Rogers has just pulled away from the field. Fast in the 1R. Chatham looking for some of that grip down on the bottom of the racetrack as the 8 machine heads into the infield. Cross flags in the air. You know what time that is. Halfway home. Rogers has made it to lap traffic. He's going to have to pick them off one by one. Coming to 9 to go this time. Lap traffic can change the complexity of a race. First of all, these guys are slower and they're bunched up a lot of times, and you have to pick and maneuver your way through the field. That's what Austin Rogers is doing right now, trying to pick his way around some slower cars. Flagman hanging over the flag stand with a move over flag. A lot of times these guys do not listen to that move over flag, so it's up to the driver to make sure that he can pick these drivers off one by one. And it has. It slowed him down just a tad bit, but we're looking at a 3.6 second lead last time by. And this time it's going to be a 4.0 second lead. So he is stretching it even as they make their way through traffic. But we've got a heck of a battle for second. The Guntown gunner, Nathan Page, has put his 16 machine into the 2nd position. Blaze Chatham has now fallen back to 3rd, and it's Aiden Fletcher in the 4th position. They have made contact, the 14 and the 14, the 14B of Blaze Chatham and the 14 of Aiden Fletcher, but Chatham able to clear by a car length. We're going to need a caution if these guys are going to catch up. Oh, my goodness gracious. A heck of a lick. I look over to turn 4, and I see the 16 who is running in 2nd place, I believe. He was sitting sideways on the racetrack, so the contact had already been made. I see the 2 machine of C.J. Hodges down here past the flag stand. Heavy damage. Heartbreak Hotel for the 16 of Nathan Page. You know, he had made his way all the way up to the 3rd spot, started 6th. That's the way it looks like it's going to be. So Blaze Chatham gets a chance to run down Austin Rogers. Austin had a rocket ship. Austin was in a different area code. Austin had packed his bags, already turned in the hotel room key, but here we are again as Blaze Chatham gets another run at him. And Chatham's not gonna waste time either, race fans. He's there. He's right on the door handle of the 1 machine, just a cat whisker separation between the 2. But Rogers able to hold what he's got, and he's in 1st place. Here comes Fletcher, and a caution once again on the speedway. We were just getting them rallied up, and the 4 machine stuffs it in the wall on the backstretch. All right, they're re-racked and stacked. It's going to be single file here. Blaze Chatham, oh, let's go. It's Austin Rogers out front. Can Austin hold the herd back? 4 laps to get it done. Here comes Freaky Fast up on the top. He's going to sling it off the top rope. He'll have Blaze Chatham as they exit out of 3, and we are caution flag once again. Maybe David James turns in front of the field in the 111, but caution on the speedway. Big debris in turn 2. I'm looking for it. Oh, they must be hitting it. Yep, it's up there. Somebody's got a laser light. Okay. Well, don't do that while the cars are out on the racetrack, but that's a way to point out a little bit of debris there. Smart thinking, Mr. Laser Guy. Just please do not shine that in these race cars when they're racing. Oh, my goodness. That's something heavy. I mean, you can see the effort that he's pushing. That's a little bit more than a piece of junk. That's a piece of lead or something. It's hot, so it must be something. That is a drive shaft, so a piece of a drive shaft at least. I don't see him out on the racetrack. And the green is out. Now, I'm surprised the 4-time champion, Scooter Ware, has not been able to get his race car up near the front this evening. Unusual from the 53 camp. But Austin Rogers has literally put on a clinic tonight. He has led every single lap of this event with 2 laps to go. Fletcher caught swatting flies back there. That's going to cost him. Blaze Chatham camped out in the 2nd spot. Here comes Matt Joseph as he works the high step. On the loud pedal, it's the white flag. For Rogers, 19 laps led. Can Chatham make a difference here? Oh, goodness. Joseph has climbed the wall and messed up the race car. That's going to cost him his good finish. Here's the double checker flag. Austin Rogers wins. Blaze Chatham 2nd. Aiden Fletcher 3rd. I believe C.J. Hodges able to finish in the 4th spot. That was where Joseph was running when he tagged the backstretch wall. The car bounced, made a weird bounce. But Trosclair able to finish 5th. Jody Guest, J.C. Pearson, Preston Johnson, Scooter Ware, and James Bradshaw round out the field. Austin Rogers gets to back up that 2016 Battle of the States win. He's got him another one in the books. $1,000 payday. That was Kobe Mullins with the hard charger here tonight. Started 24th, finished 16th. James Bradshaw started 16th and finished 10th. Bryce Mosley started 21st and finished 15th. Scooter Ware started 14th and finished 9th. The best lap of the race was Austin Rogers. No doubt, no doubt. The 17.514. As Scott Oglesby of Photo 1 takes the check and the belt. He'll meet him in victory lane. Somebody's hot down there. There he is, race fans, in victory lane here tonight. Austin Rogers has picked up the win. Coming off of 4 wins last season. Won the Fall Classic here at the House of Hook back in October of last year. So 2 big wins back to back. He'll hold up that championship belt. All right. Like to see the little kids involved in that. He's trying to hold up that championship belt. Man, I tell you what, as I said before, that's one of the coolest trophies in racing right now. And it's something I think these guys are proud to have and proud to wear. Crystal Springs, Mississippi driver Austin Rogers celebrating his win tonight and the $1,000 that'll go with that. All right, once again, getting ready for the final race of the evening here. Final race of the evening here at the House of Hook. Glad to have y'all still with us. It's the Crate Racing USA Late Model event. Don't forget, race fans, we'll be back here in 2 weeks. 2 weeks